Hey y'all, today we're making Cajun-style spicy cabbage. It's going to be delicious, so let's get started. We're going to start with the green cabbage. First, you want to remove the outer leaves. That can be anywhere between 2 and 4 leaves. Then use a large, sharp kitchen knife to slice the cabbage in half long ways. Cabbage can be quite tough, so don't be afraid to use your muscles. Next, you want to quarter both halves. All cabbages have a hard inner core that needs to be removed. So you want to take one of the quarter sections and lay it on its side, and then remove the core tip and then angle the knife and slice away the core. Then you want to slice the cabbage lengthwise, then crosswise into roughly 1 to 1.5 inch squares. Discard any hard core areas that you may not have gotten with your knife. Don't attempt to cook or eat the core pieces. These pieces are excessively hard and nasty. Once you finish cutting your cabbage, wash your cabbage really well under cool water before using. This will also give you a chance to pick through your cabbage and find any of those core pieces and get rid of them. Let's start the cooking process by lightly browning some chopped hickory smoked bacon. Do not saute the bacon until it's crispy, just until it's lightly brown, the grease renders, and it's slightly limp. You're cooking your bacon over medium-high heat, so it should only take a few minutes for this to happen. I'd say between 3 and 4 minutes. Once the grease has rendered and the bacon is cooked, you want to deglaze the bottom of your pot with warm water. Make sure you scrape all of those little brown bits from the bottom. Allow the water to return to a simmer and then add the cabbage to the pot. This is a 5-quart Dutch oven, so there's room for all ingredients. Then you want to add some chopped yellow onion, some black pepper, and some Creole seasoning. As always, we use certified Creole Mrs. Clotilde's. Some salt, and a pinch of cane sugar. Then you want to cover and allow the cabbage to steam for about 10 minutes or so. Some are going to say, why use Creole seasoning in Cajun cabbage? But the general seasoning is not what brings the Cajun zing. It's the black pepper. But if it makes you feel better to use a general Cajun seasoning, have at it. The measurements for ingredients and links to seasoning are in the description box if you are interested. Uncover and mix everything together. You'll be able to feel that the stiffness is leaving the cabbage. Once you get everything thoroughly mixed together, cover and allow the steam and water to finish the job. You want cabbage that holds its shape, is softened, but with a slight crunch when you bite into it. You should also be able to see all of the colors, the white, the light green, and the dark green. As you can see, what we call the liquor or the liquid that's produced from the steaming cabbage, for this cabbage, it has a black tinge. That's from the black pepper, and it should look that way. And then finally, you want to stir in a bit of butter. And then serve it. And there you have it, Cajun-style spicy cabbage. It's yummy for your tummy. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.